Where does the decision come from? We have intelligence at different level of our personality. At the body level, there's intelligence. See, mosquito bites instinctively shift the body. The decisions are taken at the physical level based on the previous programs. So similarly, that's called instinct. Then the decisions are taken at the mental level also, lower mind. It's called mana. Something I see, immediately raga, dvesha arises. I like, I don't dislike. So the reactions come from the lower mind. Then comes the higher mind, buddhi, which is the decision maker. Many times decisions come from buddhi. So for example, if I have to buy drink a cup of coffee or tea, I'll use a discrimination, buddhi, to take a decision. So decisions can happen at various levels. When buddhi decides in ignorance, it decides based on the ego, ahankara, mamakara, I, me, mine, based on the decisions are taken. So I would say in our body, the decisions are taken at the physical level, which is called instinct. Then at mental level, which is called reaction, raga, dvesha, and intellectual level, buddhi, based on ahankara. So ultimately, everything arises from pure consciousness and goes back to pure consciousness. All thoughts, feelings, emotions arise from pure consciousness, go back. Like all waves arise from water and go back to water. Like that, all thoughts, feelings, visions arise from pure consciousness and go back. But what happens is that our vasana and sanskara create disturbance in this process and reactions happen. Even reaction happen also goes back to pure consciousness. So in enlightenment, what happens is that the buddhi has become sharp and clear. It discriminates between ahankara, vasanas and mamakara, nitya, anitya, atma, anatma, viveka. Now buddhi takes the works under the guidance of sakshi or atma. So in that situation, the decisions are taken intuitively. So I would say the decision making is three-step process. Instinct at the physical level, intellect at the buddhi level, intuition at the higher level. Instinct is a program, physical program. Intellect is a mental program where intellect uses the previous data and takes decision. And intuition is a higher level faculty where intellect is tuned to sakshi or atma rather than the ahankara. But all said and done, all thoughts and feelings and emotions rise from pure awareness, go back to pure awareness. But who is the decision maker? Finally, in the enlightened one or in wisdom, the sakshi is the decision maker. Even the sakshi is not decision maker, intellect works under the guidance of sakshi. That way, it becomes a decision maker. So in your life only, you can look at it. There are many decisions we take out of your anger, out of reactions. They are actually lower mind influencing the higher mind. Lower mind is the manas or sense mind. Higher mind is the buddhi. The lower mind influences the higher mind. Okay, buddhi. There are some decisions you are not emotionally involved. You take a clear decision. There's no what you call this attachment to decision. You take a clear decision. So that decision, the lower mind is not influencing. Buddhi will take a clear understanding. Whereas if decisions related to self or non-self, buddhi is cluttered by the ahankara, ego. So that ahankara, the higher mind, has to be purified through jnana. Then higher mind will become free from ajnana. So three levels of decision making happens. Instinctive at the physical level, which are programs. Intellectual decision making, which is based on the data, previous experiences. And intuition, the decisions are based on inner guidance, Atma or Sakshi. But all thoughts, all feelings, emotions rise and fall back into pure awareness. In case of ignorance, the lower mind drives the higher mind, or higher mind is driven by ahankara, ego. Okay. But what happens with the higher mind, buddhi, gets power from Atma, Sakshi, but works under the influence of ahankara. It gets power from Sakshi only, Atma only, but works under the influence of ahankara. Whereas in Jnana, in Atma Dana, higher mind is not influenced by ahankara. It takes power from Sakshi and works under the guidance of Sakshi. Which means for any event happening, there is a choiceless observation, choiceless awareness, and spontaneous decision making.